Hi everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. As promised, I finished transferring the paper pattern for the band color man shirt into PDF file. So today let's finish the gift made by your hand from your heart. To sew the sleeves onto the shirt, we need to keep our main shirt bodice inside out. Turn your sleeve right side out. Insert the sleeve inside the shirt armhole. Match the top center of the sleeve cap with the shoulder seam and pin. Then you can sew along the opening. We should work from the inside of the sleeve tube so that we can watch for and flatten any accidental fabric folds. Now let's move on to prepare the band pieces. Interface one of the two band color pieces. Press the bottom raw edge of the interfaced band up by the seam allowance. Right side together, stitch around the two pieces. Remember to leave the breast bottom opened. Mark all the center back of both the shirt neckline and the band. Pin the uninterfaced band piece to the shirt neckline with right sides facing together. Stitch carefully along the design edge seam allowance, making sure not to catch the folded edge of the other band piece. Top stitch all the way around the right side of the color band. There we go, we are at the last part of finishing the shirt. We just need to fold the raw edge under twice to hide it, press it flat with an iron and sew a straight stitch all the way around the hem. There we go, just give the finished products the last ironing. And then your very neat shirt is ready to be gifted. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please take care.